Do you also love live animated wallpapers on your desktop? So in today's video, I will tell you how you can get unlimited live videos for your desktop. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end. First of all, open any browser. Search for Lively Wallpaper by Rockstanister and press enter. Click on the first option. Here click on the download button. Scroll down the page and click on the installer button. Click on the file and select install for me. Now choose your language. Click on the next. Select I agree and again click on the next. Keep clicking on next for 2 or 3 times. When the installation is complete, click on the finish button. Restart your PC and the application will start reflecting on your desktop. Open the application and you will get multiple live wallpapers. You can easily select them and set them as your Windows wallpaper. And here, by clicking on the plus icon, you can select any file saved on your desktop and set it as your live wallpaper. Another interesting thing is you can also open YouTube, search for any live wallpaper video, copy the video's URL and paste it here and click on OK button. This way you can easily put any YouTube video on your wallpaper as well. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.